I will be applying flaxseed gel in my hair for 7 days and see how it turns out to be.
Hair feels so much smoother.
Now let's see how to make it, guys. It's so easy to prepare it. All you need is take a liter of water, put it in a pan and add a bowl full of flax seeds into this water. Now put it through medium heat, and after some time you'll start to see the bubble forming on the top. This seems like the gel is ready, and after that we need to put it through a sieve. If you don't have a sieve, I usually prefer taking a cloth and just extract out the gel. This gel can be stored in the refrigerator for good 2 to 3 days. After that it is gonna turn rancid, and after leaving the gel in my hair for 30 minutes to 1 hour, I'll rinse it off using normal water.
So guys, this is gonna be the day 1 of applying the flaxseed gel in my hair, and I'm super excited for this experiment. The first step is obviously gonna be detangling your hair, but as I have already detangled my hair, I'm not gonna do it again. In case you guys have tangled hair, you must do it. I have it here in the applicator. Apply it all over. Let's get started. Oh god, I look like a kid. And I'm gonna wait for 1 hour and I'll see you guys in the morning.
And now it's fact time, guys. And flaxseed is rich in protein, fibers, and omega-3, which helps in improving hair quality. It has vitamin E and vitamin B, which helps in improving the health of your scalp. And now guys, the next day, I'm not gonna lie, my hair looked normal. I guess the frizz was there and there was no shine, so I wouldn't say that I was very impressed, not gonna lie at all. On day 3, however, I saw that there was improved shine in my hair. Yes, there is gonna be little residue, but I was really impressed with how my hair felt. They were so much smoother and glossier.
Guys, this is the 4th day of carrying out this flaxseed gel experiment. I'm so happy the way it has turned out to be. My hair feels so much smoother and softer, and if you look at the ends, they look so nourished and moisturized as well. I'm so excited to carry out the experiment for the next 3 days. Look at this shine, guys. Look at the shine.
Now this is gonna be day 6, guys, and I thought that I'm gonna do something different today. So I thought of applying the gel in my wet hair and see if it makes any difference. Yes, it did. It made my hair fall a lot. Now we are gonna be waiting for another 30 minutes. After that, because it has already been 5 days, I'm gonna rinse my hair using a very mild shampoo, and I'll show you the results later.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
On day 7, guys, my hair felt like magic. They were so smooth. The frizz was gone and I felt like a hair fairy. There are so many benefits of trying out this gel. Just make sure that you do try it and let me know in the comments below. Yes, there is a con that it leaves a residue in your hair. And also if you use it in your wet hair, your hair are gonna fall, so make sure that you apply it in your dry hair. Apart from that, everything was super amazing. You must give this experiment a try, and I'll see you guys super soon.